shit. I'm Melissa.
I'm Monica.
Alright, now move over there so now you're Alyssa. Because I want to be Monica now. Just move that way.
Ow. This is not, we're not doing that again. Move!
You move!
Your leg is in the way.
Jesus Christ. We're good friends, as you can tell.
Pain in the ass.
She's a pain in the ass.
No. Awkward silence.
Tasty.
Not comfortable.
Oh my god. Quit your bitching.
Well, you shouldn't have moved me in the first place. Jesus. There we go.
It was your idea to do theme music. I doubt they can hear it anyway.
Well, I wanted to hear something.
I'm sorry.
Anyway.
Yeah, got it. Okay.
What was that?
Do you know what happens if you break this? What's the blue one for? Do you know what the blue one's for?
I used to have like a paper that said more, but I don't remember.
Isn't pink like kiss? And purple's like hug or something like that? Comment if you know, because we want to know.
No, I think pink is make out.
You sound like you were looking from a water bowl. Oh my god, that was funny.
No.
I had a CBNA, home of the Bears. Her school's better though. She goes to Dover. I want to go to Dover. No, just kidding. I like CBNA. But I miss my friends at Dover. Yeah.
It's boring though.
Hey, my eyeshadow looks like grayish brown on here, and it's purple actually.
Mine looks like.
Yours like the color it's supposed to be. I like your color.
It's like.
Yeah. I'm doing this on my school laptop. This should be illegal.
Why?
Well, no, I'm glad it's not, because then we wouldn't be able to do it. But like, school's stupid. They decided that they wouldn't block YouTube because there are, like, I guess like teacher tutorial things on here, and that it's for good purpose. I was like, whoever came up with that idea is the freaking dumbest person I know. Just saying.
Watch them look at this too.
Oh.
No,
Well, actually, Mr. LeMay, he's pretty cool, but yeah.
Oh, tomorrow's Sunday.
And you have to clean. I cleaned all today.
Screw that.
Fucking sucked. Ew! Lick me. That was gross. I'll lick your face.
No,
I will.
No. You do that plenty. I don't
know.
need it another time.
I'm gonna lick the camera.
Ew!
They're all blurry.
Wipe it, you nasty.
Oh, better.
Alright.
That was funny. Alright, well we're gonna go now. Bye.
Bye.